In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website template using the Hostinger Website Builder. This is a fantastic way to give your site a fresh look or to better reflect your brand as it evolves. Whether you're new to Hostinger or just looking to refresh your current site, this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and able to make these changes yourself. First, we'll start by heading over to Hostinger's homepage. You'll want to log in using your usual credentials. This will give you access to your hosting dashboard and all the tools you need for website management. If you're new, make sure to familiarize yourself with the layout. The dashboard is user-friendly, but spending a little time here will help you find your way around more easily. Once you're logged in, look for the Websites section and select it. Here, you'll see a list of all your sites hosted with Hostinger. Next, you'll want to locate the website you wish to modify and click on Edit Website. This takes you directly into the Hostinger Website Builder interface, a powerful tool that allows users to make changes easily, even without a web development background. After entering the website editor, your next move is to look for an icon or an option that says Expand More. This feature helps to access more tools and potential actions related to your website's design dashboard. Clicking this provides additional options, making it easier to navigate and modify your site. Next, you will spot an important option: Create New Website. Go ahead and click this. This step might seem a little counterintuitive if you just want to change the template of your current site. However, in Hostinger's interface, this leads you to a broader selection of templates and customization options. You won't actually be starting from scratch. Instead, this is where you choose a new template that will be applied to your existing content, effectively revamping your site's design. Take your time to browse through the available templates. Hostinger offers a wide variety of modern and professional designs. Choose one that aligns with the image you want to project to your visitors. And don't forget, when selecting a template, think about your website's purpose, target audience, and brand aesthetics. A good template should help your content shine and be user-friendly for your audience. Once you've made your choice, confirm your selection. Hostinger will guide you through the process of applying this new template to your existing website content. With just a few clicks, your website will be transformed with a refreshed and appealing look. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your website's template using the Hostinger Website Builder. This new look will help keep your site engaging for current visitors while attracting new ones, all without needing to dive into any complex coding. Enjoy your newly designed website, and see you next time for more tips and tutorials.